Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I will be going to build this awesome color toggler using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here we will have one ball. When you click on it, this ball will move right and the color of the background will change to blue. And also when you click on it, it will move back to left and the color changes back to white. So we will be building this today. So let's begin. Now let us first create a folder. Color toggler. Now let's open this on VS Code. Now first of all, let us create our HTML file index.html. Here, let us first change our title to color toggler. Inside the body, we'll have our input of type checkbox. And I will give it ID switch. Now let's close it. And below here, we'll have one label. So it should be for our switch. And let's close it. Now that's all HTML we need. Now let us create our CSS file. Now let's connect this CSS file with our HTML file. Strip, and here we'll have style sheet. Let us close this. Now let us give some CSS. Here, first of all, let us create some variable in CSS. So root here. Primary color will be white, that is, yeah. And after this, we'll have primary label. It will be 17C5FC. Now this will be our primary label color. After this, we'll have our secondary label. Sorry, this will be just one. Here we'll have our secondary color will be white. Then our secondary ball will be, then our primary ball color will be let us give it white. And secondary ball will be 17C5FC. So they're all variable we need. Now after this, we'll have our body. Here background color. Background will be just var, and here it will be for primary color. Next, position will be absolute, top 50%, depth 50%. And after this, translate minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Now let us open this and check if it is working fine or not. So here our CSS is working fine. Our checkbox is at the center of our page. So now let's move forward. So after body, we'll style our switch component. That is ID switch. Here we'll give width 0, height 0, and visibility, hidden. So our switch input will be hidden. Now we'll design our label. Label. Here we'll give display, block, width will be, I'll give it 100 pixel, and height will be 50 pixel, and background will be var primary label. And then we'll have border radius will be 100 pixel, and position will be relative, and I'll get cursor, pointer, and transition 0.5 second. So here is our label. Now let's refresh it. Yeah, this is our label. Now let us add one pseudo element here in the label. So after label after here content will be empty string, and width I will give 40 pixel, and height 40 pixel, and border radius will be, let us give 70 pixel, and after border radius we will give background color, which will be our white primary ball, and position will be absolute. Here top, let us give it 5 pixel, and left 5 pixel, and transition will be 0.5 second. Now after label pseudo element, let's check this. Here it is visible. There is our label after pseudo element. Now here we'll take switch, and when it is checked, and we'll add label after, then label after will be, when it is checked, label after will be that, then background color will change to the var secondary ball. Here left will turn to 100% minus 5 pixel, and it will translate x, and it will go minus 100%. Now let's refresh and let's check. Okay, it's going outside, it's not working. So here minus is not required. Just remove this minus. Yeah, it's working fine. Now switch, when checked, and the label will turn to, background color will change to secondary, and label. Now let's refresh, let's check it. Yeah, it's working fine. Now after this, when label is active, then after will be when width will be 60 pixels. Now let's refresh. Yeah, that's working fine. Now that's all CSS we need for this code. Now let us write our JavaScript part. Now first let us create our JS file app.js. Now let us connect this JS file with our HTML file here. Script source will be app.js. Yeah. Now let us write our JSS part. Let toggler will create one variable toggler and we'll select it from document.get element by id, and we'll choose the switch id. Now we'll add one event listener to this variable, to this element, that is toggler dot add event listener. Here we'll add click event listener. Here toggler dot checked. If toggler is checked true, then and we'll use ternary operator here. Document dot body, will add one style to the body, style dot background color, and it will turn to #17c5fc, or else it will be white. So now let's check. It's not working. Okay, here it will be equal. We are assigning the colors, so here is the issue. Now let's reload. Yeah, check. Yeah, that's our toggler. It's working fine. When you click here, it turns blue, and when you click again, it turns white, and that's all. And that's all for today. I hope you like it, and if you did, just hit thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, just hit subscribe. And if you want me to cover any other topic in future, just comment below. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.